Hello everyone. Today we want to take a few minutes to showcase some of the operational practices that we're following in our vacation homes.
Our housekeeping supervision team works in the field during our changeover times to work with the crews, checking behind them, and ensuring that our standards are being met. We're looking to our experts, in this case the CDC, to provide guidance on the best chemicals and procedures to be utilized in cleaning our vacation homes. Some of the precautions we are taking include protective equipment, such as gloves and masks for our staff in the field. We'll also be using EPA-recommended disinfectants to disinfect the high-touch, high-traffic areas in our homes. Sheets and towels in our vacation homes are provided weekly from a state-of-the-art commercial linen facility. We've worked closely with our chemical providers to ensure the best chemicals are being utilized in cleaning our homes.
Every pool and hot tub is chemically balanced and cleaned prior to each new arrival at the home. Midweek chemical checks are also performed for all pools and hot tubs. Currently, our Twiddy maintenance staff is working hard to prepare all of our homes for your much anticipated arrival.
We look forward to welcoming you and your family to the Outer Banks very soon.